So I found this Isuzu Amigo on Marketplace. The guy's got for sale. It says it runs, but it won't go in forward, only reverse. Back glass is busted. It says it's got a push button start on it. He wanted $400 for it. I offered him $300. He turned it down. Looks like somebody been putting transmission fluid in it. It got a push button rigged up. Let's look under the hood. Nice Ford Fairlane sitting there. Hey now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna take a video of it so I can send it to my daughter. Okay. Yeah. You know how them girls is, they be like, ooh.
I heard somebody pull up, I checked it.
Yeah. Not a bad looking truck. Got a Ford Fairlane. Looks like a 60-something model. I think it's pretty clean. Anyway, let me see, can I get it cranked up? So we got the jumper pack. We'll hook the jumper pack to it and see how she runs. It's gonna start. Looks like she won't start, fellas. Wonder if we spray some starting fluid at it where it cranks. Sounds like she won't start. Hello? looking to pick this up for my daughter. She's gonna be graduating pretty soon this year. I didn't know they had a dent back here. Like somebody put some Bondo on it. Had to put a fresh battery in it. Let's see, does the AC work? No AC. No heat, no nothing. Check engine lights on. Can't see the mileage. Well, there we go. Have 222,000. Let's see where she's going forward. That reverse. I'm in the transmission, definitely bad. These got a dipstick on them. Pressure clutch on? No transmission stick. I forgot to turn the little start button off. Oops, that means the starter was running with it. Sorry. Oh, the emergency brake is on. That's a big plus. Goes in reverse good though. Sunroof. Oh, double sunroof. Got a double sunroof in it. Wow. Wonder does that leak? I see a little mold over here. It is wet over here. I don't know if that blew in from the back or from the sunroof. It's got the fold up seats. Radio. For some reason the blower motor is not working. I don't know. Definitely can use a set of tires. Transmission won't go. Oh, that tire right there looks pretty fair. Back, oh, the back of these come off, don't they? So you got the roll cage back here. I didn't know about that. There's a roll cage. Definitely gonna need a back glass. So, I don't know. Let me think it over. I don't want her to get it and she'll shoot me if I get it. I think it says a 99 model. So, most definitely is going to need a transmission. And something's up with the blower, so we'll just let it down. And it's going to need a key switch because the key switch is rigged up on it. Anyway, what do you guys think about the 99 Amigo? Are they good? I know the engines are pretty good. Isuzu. So, anyway, let me think it over, guys, and we'll get back to it if I end up picking it up. Make sure it's got a title and all that good stuff. So, alright.